He don't want to be in the video. We'll put Abel in the video.
It's an ugly dog.
Abel's not ugly.
Yes.
He just got a face only a mother could love.
He's ugly.
Oh,
That dog is ugly.
oh, poor Abel.
Yeah, poor Abel.
Whose world is this?
Taking over, hit the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks off how you desire. My rock and maybe flip. It's easy, you never trip, get them early, you never miss no bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World, Sneaker World, Sneaker World.
Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video. I got my man Abel in the building, so it should be a good day. We have a package here that took I don't even, what is that? What's on my what is that? It took 3 weeks. All this water damage, everything else. Ain't no telling how long this has been sitting in a warehouse, in a UPS warehouse, or on the truck or something. I don't know, man. But it took 3 weeks to get here. You already know from the title and the thumbnail what we're here for, man. So if you're new around here and that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure that button is gray. Subscribe to the channel, man. Join the movement. The only thing that I ask is that you hit the notification bell. That's all that I require for watching my channel now. But no, I would really appreciate it if you are here watching this video, or if you watch any of my other videos, you want to go back and watch some other content, just hit the notification bell so you know whenever I upload a video. That's all I ask. But anyway, I'm not going to drag this video out too long. I got my trusty knife here. These sneakers took long enough to get here, so I'm not going to waste any time cracking into this box. Like I said, I ordered these on, it was 20 days ago, from Undefeated, obviously. And this is one of those sneakers where it's going to be a personal, like you have to really want the sneaker as a personal purchase for the toe. And that's what that is. These are for me. I think that the collaboration is dope. I think that it's a fall color. Here's my Undefeated receipt. Thankfully it's washed out so you can't read my address. But anyway, so I like the collaboration. It's definitely got those Undefeated vibes, especially the Air Force Ones. They got that like olive greenish type color. I think these do as well, but I don't know how similar they are because I only ordered one. But we'll start with the box. You got this blue box with white font. It says Dunk vs Air Force One with the Undefeated logo right there in the middle. Very dope, man. Very different. Little Nike branding on the front. I don't think there's any other. Oh, it's got some branding on the side as well, for those that care about that. But we got Dunk Low SP Undefeated collab. Colorway is Canteen, Lemon Frost, and Palomino. Size 11, my personal size. Hurry up and get into this box. I'm rambling, but I want you guys to be able to see, just in case you want these on the aftermarket, because they're not going for much over retail in most sizes. Some obscure sizes, it may go for a little bit more. But for me, and this is another thing I want to talk on before I crack into the box. When you guys are listening to people talk about the resale market and they're saying, oh, they're only going for 50 over, they're going for 60 over, and this, that, and the third. For one, that's a lot of money. But for two, they never talk about the fees and the shipping and all that. They say, oh, they're going for $250 on StockX. But once you go to StockX and you click on that $250, that turns into $300 real quick. So always put that in perspective for those of you that are new to the game. If you're watching this channel, I just hate when YouTubers always, oh, they're only going for $250 or they're going for $230 on StockX or Gold or whatever. That's not $230. Add another $30 on top of whatever it says on the under. I'm just saying. Anywho, that's enough of that. I don't know. We do have a green stamp, and you do have a lot number up there in the corner. I don't know if that'll focus, but you also have your white paper with the same branding as what's on the lid. So let's crack into the ooh. Me likey. I like these. I like these. Like I said, you do have green stamp in there as well. But let's look at the sneakers. What I do love about these is there's a mixture of different materials on these. Now, as you can see, well, I don't know if from what you can see, but the front up here has this like canvas type material up front. I don't know what the heck this material is. I don't know what that is. It's like a mixture between mesh and something else. Very, very durable type material. I don't know what that is. I have no clue. You can't even describe that. It's on the side panel as well. You can't even describe that. You have to hold the sneaker in hand to know what that is. Now, the back portion where you got your white Undefeated logo, that is embroidered. But this is all leather. All back here is leather. The swoosh is it's like a dandelion yellow, but it's leather as well. Outsole also gives you that olive brownish type color with the Nike branding in the middle. Traditional Dunk outsole, just like a Air Jordan 1 outsole. I don't know if this will pick up, but on the insole in there, you do have your Dunk vs Air Force 1 and Undefeated branding. And it also comes with a spare yellow or dandelion type color lace. I don't know what I would do as far as the laces. I would have to see what it looks like with the yellow end. I haven't watched, I think I may have watched one review and it wasn't real detailed. So nothing really skewed my opinion on these. It took me long enough to get them. The midsole is a combination of like a sail white and obviously this brown, olive brown type color. Both sneakers are the same on the tongue. There's no like Nike on one and Undefeated logo on the other. It's just the Undefeated logo on both. And you have your brown tongue. Now, like I said, this isn't going to be everybody's cup of tea. This is definitely very, very different as far as material goes. Oh, let's focus on Bobby Sneaker Roll back there. There we go. Bring it back. It's not like your traditional Dunk where you just got leather or something like that. You know what I'm saying? So you're not going to get that on these. You have a combination of different colors on these. And these will be a love or hate sneaker. So I'm not mad if anybody watches this and be like, man, I don't like those. I want, the more traditional Dunks. But you have to step outside sometime. And I already feel like I have some stuff in my closet that I can finesse with these. I got a t-shirt in my closet that I haven't worn yet that I really think that I'm going to finesse with these at some point. I may throw the yellow laces in. I don't know. I'm not really, really big on lace swaps. Typically, in my opinion, it doesn't always improve the sneaker. It makes it look kind of cheap and corny for the most part. But sometimes it does enhance it. But y'all let me know in the comment section down below, how do you guys feel about these? I hate how long it took to get them. But when you hit for retail and, you get something different, this isn't something that everybody's going to get. They also had an Air Force 1 low that I like. It's not something that I would wear, but I like it. I like these more. And I'm happy that I was able to hit. Another thing that I do love about the way Undefeated did this release is that they made you answer like a bunch of questions or something. I can't remember exactly, but they had me in limbo for like 15 minutes before my order went through. So I think that helps with bot protection. And it helps a lot more people hit manually that actually want them, man. Everything doesn't have to be for resale. You can't, I mean, I resell things all the time. If I don't want it anymore, I resell it, or if it's for trade bait to get something I actually want. So I'm not against reselling at all. But I do love that it's more fair when people can get manually and just get one pair. Or get both pairs or something like that. Not 30 pairs. So anyway, that's enough. I'm not going to get on my soapbox about that right now. If you're new, hit the notification bell, man. If you've been here for a while, hit the thumbs up as well, man. I appreciate each and every one of you guys that continue to rock with the content, man. I'm out of here. OVE!